This is the VX1 by Panasonic. It's a 4K camera, and this is generally how I have it set up if I'm just going to do a bit of vlogging, just talking to the camera. No, this is a Rode video microphone, which is currently plugged into the microphone outlet. You can monitor it if you like. There's a headphone port on there as well, which I do sometimes. And I have here a mobile phone holder next to my microphone if I want to put my notes on there, my bullet points and what have you, just to remind me, make sure I don't forget anything. Or if I want to read off an article even, I'll make it fairly obvious sometimes, or I can just, pick it up and start talking to you with the phone, just so you know I'm actually reading off an article. Now, I'm finding it actually works pretty well, and I had a few issues with the audio, in that audio processing was required because there was a little bit of background hiss. Now, what I found to be the issue wasn't necessarily the camera itself, was the cable, because I've got the microphone external, was picking up RF noises or frequency noises from like fluorescent lighting or LED lighting, what have you, and it was ending up in the recording. Now, so what my solution is to buy a decent cable, this one here, which is screened, a heavy cable for the microphone. It's just a 1 metre long cable, and it seems to have helped quite a bit to stop some of that interference. Now, other little modifications I've made to the camera. Now, you can see at the top there's something here you cannot buy. Yes, you can buy top handles, but you can't buy that top handle. No, because I made it. And as a woodworker, I made one out of walnut, I just used some standard fitments for the actual handle to mount onto the cold shoe mount, and with a locking screw here, and it works perfectly well. But the problem is, you see, many of those top handles you can buy are, some of them are very expensive, but also they're too big. They're too big for a relatively compact camcorder like this VX1. So I decided to make one, and it's worked out very, very well. So, anyway, this is my little vlogging setup with the Panasonic VX1 camcorder, top handle, which can then mount a external microphone on the top here if you're doing a bit of a walkabout vlog, or a light even, or both. As currently it's got the Manfrotto quick release mount on my Manfrotto tripod, and then we have a magic arm here with a aluminium phone holder, and my Rode video microphone. So anyway, what setup are you using? Toodaloo.